Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we provide Smart Garage Door Opener complete installation process using MyQ app. If you facing any trouble, you can reach us. Let's start the setup. Search for the MyQ app in your mobile device's App Store or Play Store, and download it. Now, open the app. Then it will ask you for permission to allow the Bluetooth and notification. Tap on the Allow option. Now accept the terms and conditions and tap on Continue button. Now log into the MyQ app. If you are a new user, then you need to create an account. In the next, you need to select your country and type the area zip code. After this, type your first name and last name. Click Next, and then you need to provide your email address. Type the email address in the box. Click Next and then create a password which you want to use for login. Then click Done. You will get a code on your email address. Type the verification code to verify your email address. If you unable to find the email on your inbox, then you can check it on the spam folder. After the email verification, click Allow to track the activity. Now, you need to add the Smart Garage Door Opener from the list by tapping on plus icon. Here enable all the checkbox and tap on I'm Ready button. Choose You All Control and then your garage door opener makes a beep sound. Now click on Next. Then it will take up to 1 minute to searching for the device. Click on Join button to connect MyQ app to join the Wi-Fi network. Now it will start connecting your device to the Wi-Fi network. Type the Wi-Fi password and click on the Next button. Now, your MyQ app device start connecting with your network. Wait for up to 1 minute to connect. After this, you need to type the name for the Smart Garage Door Opener. Now, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup process. If you are facing any trouble to connect your MyQ app Smart Garage Door Opener device, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.